In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a promotional pop-up in Squarespace. Pop-ups can be a fantastic way to draw attention to special promotions, collect email addresses for newsletters, or simply to engage more fully with your audience. Let's walk through the steps together to set one up on your Squarespace website. First, start by heading over to your main account dashboard in Squarespace. From there, you'll want to select the website you'll be working on. This is particularly important if you manage multiple sites, so make sure you choose the correct one so that your changes are applied where you want them. Once you've selected your site, navigate over to the Website option. You'll find this option on the Home navigation menu. A quick click here will take you deeper into the website's specific settings. Now that you're in the website area, you should see a section labeled Pages. Click on this to open up the configuration for all the different pages on your site. While you're exploring, make sure you familiarize yourself with the layout of these options, especially if you're new to Squarespace. Once you've reached the Pages menu, look for the section that says Marketing Tools. This is where Squarespace hosts various options to help you promote your site more effectively and give your audience more ways to interact with your content. Inside Marketing Tools, you'll find the option for Promotional Pop-up. Clicking on this will expose a suite of tools specifically for crafting and customizing the pop-up that you'll be setting up. Initiating the pop-up requires a simple toggle. You'll see an option that says Display Pop-up. Make sure this toggle is enabled. This is essentially the on switch for your promotional pop-up, activating it for your visitors to see. With your pop-up toggled on, next you'll want to customize its layout to best fit your website's aesthetic and your promotional needs. There's an option here called Change Layout. Clicking on that will present you with multiple design options. You can play around with these to find the one that matches your site's style and the type of message you wish to convey. Remember, consistency with your website's branding ensures the pop-up feels like a cohesive part of your site rather than an unrelated intrusion. Just to recap, remember to select the right website from your dashboard. Navigate through the Website and Pages menus to reach the Marketing Tools. Enable your promotional pop-up by toggling it on, and then select and customize a layout that best fits your brand. I hope this guide will make setting up your promotional pop-ups on Squarespace a smooth process. Thanks for watching, and happy promoting!